Dow posted a record closing high on Friday, and the Nasdaq ended with more than a percentage gain as stronger than expected jobs report reassured investors who had been worried the economy may be getting too weak.
U.S. stocks closed solidly higher on Friday as a stronger than expected jobs report reassured investors who had worried the economy may be slowing too rapidly. The Dow gained 0.8% to notch a record closing high. The S&P 500 added 0.9%, and the Nasdaq climbed 1.2%. Friday's non-farm payrolls report from the Labor Department showed job gains increased in September by the most in 6 months, and the unemployment rate ticked down to 4.1%. Ross Mayfield is an investment strategist at Baird.
Markets are higher today. I think a reflection of something that we've been looking for, which is that good news is again good news, right? So jobs report comes in better than expected, and rather than the market sell off because it means the Fed might not cut rates or might have to get more aggressive, it means that a recession is farther away than maybe some nervous investors had expected.
The robust jobs data prompted traders to further reduce bets of a 50 basis point rate cut at the Federal Reserve's November meeting to just 8%, according to the CME Group's FedWatch tool. Meanwhile, with tensions escalating in the Middle East, oil prices continued to climb, pushing the S&P Energy Index up 1%. Other notable stock moves on Friday included Spirit Airlines, which tumbled more than 24% after a report showed the carrier was in talks with bondholders about a potential bankruptcy filing. Other airlines, including Frontier Group, United Airlines, and American Airlines, all rose sharply. And shares of EV maker Rivian fell more than 3% after the company cut its full-year production forecast and delivered fewer vehicles than expected in the third quarter.